Take 110. Really out of my comfort zone, but you know what? It's 2019, we're just gonna get it, okay? Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gabrielle Morlett, and I am the girl from Her Fashionality blog. I'm going to be sharing with you guys a process that I use to figure out what to wear when I don't know what to wear. This idea popped into my head the other day when I was struggling to figure out what to wear, and I did a few things and I was able to figure out a bomb outfit that I was really happy with, and I didn't just settle with it. I knew I had this closet full of clothes and I didn't want to go spend money mindlessly on an outfit when I knew I had clothes. It was just a matter of sorting through my thoughts and my feelings. As a girl, the struggle is real, and so I want to help as many people as I can. So with that being said, I'm going to be sharing the system that I have learned to use that works for me to figure out what to wear when I don't know what to wear. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna do is pay attention to your feelings. I know that sounds really silly, but when you think about it, what you wear is really controlled by your feelings. Some days your outfit comes to you faster than others. Being self-aware and realizing like your energy levels and like just how you're feeling overall. Every day is different and your moods change, and sometimes you're not feeling your best, sometimes you're feeling like a rock star. So really just paying attention to how you're feeling that day is the first thing that you do. So the second thing goes hand in hand with number one, which is the feelings. So once you figure out how you're feeling, associate a color with it. Here's just an example. If you're feeling like really edgy one day and you're feeling like a rock star and you're feeling funky and you're like, I just want to wear something different, but like I just don't know what to wear. Figure out a color that you want to associate your feelings with. That could be red, that could be black, that could be silver, gold, metallic, a color or a couple of colors that represent the feeling that you're feeling. Color is the most important thing when you are trying to figure out what to wear. Like, it controls everything. If you are shopping and you've been looking for this one dress in particular your whole life, and you finally find it, it's the exact shape, it fits you like a glove, it has all the right details, it's everything you've ever wanted, but it's not the right color, you will not buy it. You will not wear it because the color is just everything when it comes to your outfit. It's Sunday, it's sunny outside, it's a great day, it's like 70 degrees, and I'm just in a happy mood. So my colors represent that. It's kind of subconscious a lot of the time, but whenever you don't know what to wear, you really have to like dig deeper and figure out what it is how you're feeling and what colors you want to wear. So with that being said, color is the second step. So the third thing that you're gonna do is create a mood board with your clothes. If you don't know what a mood board is, I will insert a picture right here. And pretty much a mood board just is a tangible way to express a mood or some type of feeling that you're trying to put out into the world. So you're just gonna do that with your clothes. I will actually insert myself going through the process and the steps whenever I was trying to figure out what to wear. Hi. So pretty much what I do is I throw a whole bunch of different things that inspire me, go together, reflect my mood, and like it doesn't matter if it matches, like not every single thing that you wear is going to be super perfect and put together. When you put these two together like side by side, like this does not match that's polka dots and stripes, but when you put it together with an outfit, it might go. So definitely feeling the fanny vibes. So right here, I was just skimming through my closet and pulling things that caught my eye or drew me in, whether it was a texture or a pattern or just really anything that was just eye-catching to me in that moment. I was just pulling it. So I added the white little skirt and that from Shein that shrunk but still fits. And so after giving it some thought, I'm inspired, I've looked at it and I'm like, okay, wow, like my heart and my mind just keeps getting drawn to add things that just like represent how you're feeling. Which leads me to step number 4, and it is process of elimination. Let me tell you, it is so much easier to figure out what to wear based on this palette versus looking at your entire closet and just feeling so overwhelmed. Ooh, that. I'm gonna try both of the whites on and figure out which vibe I'm going for, but I've narrowed it down and now I know what I'm wearing. And I also made a huge mess in my room. Your brain kind of shuts off when you have like an overwhelming amount of options, And especially if your closet's not like color coordinated, that makes it really, really hard. So by just putting everything out on the floor of things that you're feeling and things that you could potentially wear, then it'll help you create an outfit with things that inspire you. I feel like that's the reason why some of us don't know what to wear, or we just go out and like buy, you know, new clothes and stuff when we don't need it, just because we feel like we don't have anything to wear. But really, it's just a matter of organizing your thoughts and your feelings and all of that, and being able to like create something beautiful out of that. It has probably saved me a lot of money too, because I live right across from the Galleria, and so I don't just like go over there like pick out an outfit. I mean, when you're in a store, everything's like color coordinated for the most part, so you kind of like gravitate towards textures or colors or things that you're feeling in that moment. And so if you could just do that with the clothes that you already have, you could save money, save time, and just, you know, have fun with it. So with that being said, that is what I do whenever I don't know what to wear, and I really hope that this helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I was able to help you in some sort of way or inspire you. I have a fashion blog called Her Fashionality, so you can go over to my Instagram and follow me there to just stay up to date with all things fashion. I hope you have a great day, night, whatever it is that you're doing right now, and I will see you guys later. Bye.